The next question in this series is shape and reshape. Here in this question, they have introduced us to a new concept, which is shape tool, which is available under NumPy. Using shape to get array dimensions. Okay, using shape you can get array dimension here in this case. So the dimension is 5. So basically, what is dimension? Dimension is number of rows and number of columns. Here in this case, the number of rows are 3 and number of column is 2. So this is the dimension of that array. So we can also change the dimensions of array using this shape. So here they have changed the dimensions of array to 3 cross 2 by using this shape tool. So here, as you can see, the changed dimension of the array is 3 cross 2, that is 3 rows and 2 columns. Further, using this reshape tool, we can get new shape of an array without changing its data, and it creates a new array and does not modify the original array itself. So here they have shown us how to do so. So using this reshape, they have created a new array. Okay, so let's move to code. We'll see first sample input. So here in this case of sample input, they have given us 9 integers which are separated by space, and what we have to do, we have to print a matrix in the form of 3 cross 3. So the dimensions of matrix should be 3 cross 3. We'll move forward to code. So at first what we'll do, we'll import numpy as np. So now we have to take input of this whole integers which are separated by a space. So for that we'll require a list. L is equal to list, and inside list we'll map because we want to convert it into integers. Input dot split. It will split according to spaces. So now we have to convert that list to a numpy array. For that we'll require one variable to store in it, and now numpy. So as we have mentioned here, import numpy as np. We are going to use np here and np dot array, and we are going to convert that list into numpy array. So the variable will be L. So the list has been converted. I don't know why it is giving error. Okay, so one parenthesis is left. Now it's okay. Now we are going to change its shape, and we are using this array ARR as we have stored numpy array in it. So ARR dot shape is equal to, and in bracket what we have to put, we have to put dimensions. So here they have told us that they want 3 cross 3 matrix. So we are going to put dimension as 3 comma 3, and at last what we have to do, we just have to print it. So print ARR. So let's submit the code. It works. Solution for all other questions included in this series are available on my channel, and if you have any query, let me know in comment section given below. And thank you guys for watching this video.